I was sent these workout shorts and they are really impressive. So they have what's called tummy control, which just flattens everything out, a really good compression and stretch to them. So they suck everything in, but not to the point where you feel constricted. It feels very, very comfortable. I'm wearing them nice and high-waisted up over my belly button. These are the size medium and I'm a size 6'8". I'm 5'8" tall, and I opted for the 5.5-inch inseam. So they're a little bit longer on me and I love that length. So I'm really loving the length. Now on the back, they have kind of stitching up through the booty area, which kind of gives everything a little push up, little lift or oomph, if you will. And that's awesome, so I'll take that. They also don't roll down and they pass what's called the squat test. So if you were to squat, everything kind of stays in place, and of course they're not sheer as well when you squat. So I really think these are fabulous. They're seamless and they're really comfortable. Plus they have that wicking in them. So if you're doing a really intense workout, that's really good as well. And I think you're gonna love them.